Hello, Goinkans. How are you? I hope you all are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Dear Goinkans, I welcome you all in your mathematics class. Today, in our class, we are going to do subtraction of 4-digit numbers with regrouping. Do you remember what is regrouping? Yes, we all do. Regrouping means we have to borrow. We are having more on floor. We have to borrow. For that, we go to next door and get 10 more. Let me show you the subtraction of 4-digit numbers with regrouping with an example first. Here we have to subtract 5,634 and 2,367. The first number we are having, that is the larger number, is called minuend. This is the term that is used. This is the first value. This is the first number. The second value, the second number that is to be subtracted is called subtrahend. And the answer that we got in subtraction is called difference. So this is the example with regrouping. Subtraction with regrouping means we have to borrow, right? Now, first, what to do? We have to subtract the ones. Okay? I have to subtract 7 from 4. 4 is less than 7, so I can't do. This is impossible. I am having more on floor. So what I will do, I will go to next door and get 10 more. I have to regroup the tens and ones. See? Ones and tens. As we can't subtract 7 ones from 4 ones. Here I am having 3, right? Means 3 tens. 3 is at tens place. I am having 3 tens. So when I will get 1 10 from it, it will get reduced to 2 tens. 3 minus 1 is 2. So we will write 2 here. And 10 will go to 1's place. 10 plus 4, we are having 4 already there. 10 plus 4 is 14. Okay. Now, we can take 7 from 14. And what we will get, we have to write in the column. 14 minus 7 is 7. Got it? Now, we are having 2 here and 6 below. Is it possible to take 6 from 2? No, it is not. 6 is greater than 2. 2 is smaller than 6. So, we have to regroup tens and hundreds now. Okay, when we will regroup tens and hundreds, we will go to next door and get 10 more. There we are having 6 tens. So, when we will get 1 10, it will get reduced to 5. Okay, because 6 minus 1 is 5 and we will add the 10 to 10's place. 10 plus 2 is 12. Now we will subtract 12 minus 6. Take away 6 from 12, you will get 6. Here we are having 5 and below is 3. This is very easy and this is possible to take a smaller number from a bigger. 5 minus 3 will give us 2 and when we will subtract, then the thousands column, 5 minus 2 will give us 3. So the difference that we got is 3,267. Okay, this is the step that you are going to follow. First subtract the ones, then tens, then hundreds and then thousands. Okay, you will get the difference. Similarly, you are going to do exercise second. Right? That is subtraction with regrouping. Let us do A part first. Subtract ones. 6 minus 7. It is not possible. 6 is less than 7. So what will we do? We will write it here. 3,507. 6 is smaller than 7. Then we will go to next door, get 10 more. 10 plus 6 is 16. We will write 16 above it and put a cross there. Here we were having 1 10 and it will get reduced by 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. So we'll write 0 next to it. Okay. So now we will do the subtraction of ones. 16 minus 7 is 9. 0 minus 0. Okay? Numbers the same. 0 is a game. 0 minus 0 is 0. Then subtract the 100 digits. 8 minus 5. 8 is greater than 5. So you can do the subtraction. You are having more on top. No need to stop. 8 minus 5 is 3. 4 minus 3. More on top. No need to stop. Subtract 1000 digits. We will get 1. So our difference that we got is 1309. Similarly, we will do B part like that. Okay. Here 3 minus, let me write this first, 6853 minus 1562. Okay. 3 minus 2. More on top. Yes, no need to stop. This is 1. 5 minus 6. More on the floor. Go to next door and get 10 more. When you will get, we are having at hundreds place 8. 800. So get 10 from it. Right. So here we will form 10 plus 5 is 15. We'll write 15 here. And it will get reduced to 700s. Right. So 15 minus 6 is how much? 9. Now 7 minus 5 is how much? More on top, no need to stop. This is 2. And 6 minus 1 is how much? More on top, no need to stop. 5. So the difference that we got here is 5291. Students, you are going to do rest of the parts like this also. And part C and D are shown here. Okay. And you have to do part E and to H in New Maths Time book yourself. And also do skill sheet number 11 of page number 11 in Math Speed Practice book. This was all for today. Take care. Allah Hafiz.